Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can use Bitskout to compare two documents between each other. This functionality is very useful when you have, for example, contracts for affiliate marketing that you send to your partners, and then they return those contracts signed. It's very important that there is no information changed in the PDF, which is easy to do. Not everyone today is using DocuSign or similar tools to automate that. Now, in this case, I will show you how you can compare two documents between each other to find differences using monday.com and Bitskout. So first thing, we need to create a plugin that does the comparison. In Bitskout, there is a special set of plugins that do that. When you click compare, here you see the options. And if you choose documents, you can set it up how you want it to look like. Let's say I want to look at like more highlighting and use more red color, so I can see it quickly in the document. Next step is to create a plugin. Let's call it compare documents. And in this case, we can map the values to Monday, but the way our plugin works in Monday is that it will generate the files and add them automatically to a files column. So you don't have to set up any outputs. I'm just gonna create the plugin. Okay, now it's ready. Now, next step is to go to Monday and prepare our task. So we need to add a recipe because that's how Bitskout works. And for comparison, we have a special recipe, which is called this one. It basically triggers when the status changes to something. We can compare column with this column. It's all files columns using a plugin called compare documents and put result into this column. And then we need to set statuses, so if something goes wrong, we need to know that to have a controlled process. And let's add it to the board. So now we have our recipe ready. So let's add two contracts. Let's suppose that I've sent this contract and I received back this one. And I want to check them. Obviously, you can set it up in a more simpler manner. For example, if you have a default contract, it will always be in a template, but you will have a form where your partner will upload the signed document and it will appear here. So let's run our comparison and see what will be the results. Additionally, the comparison not only works with documents, not only works with contracts, it is very useful when you work in supply chain and you need to prepare documents for customs to make sure that the local team doesn't make mistakes and do everything according to a template. You can also use Bitskout for that. Okay, so now as you can see, you already can see that we have data appearing in the updates, but it also started to appear in the results column. Now it's done. So let's have a look. So this is the first page. And as you can see, we already have a change detected that exclusive was changed to, non-exclusive was changed to exclusive, which is not what we wanted, right? So this is already can allow you to detect this kind of small changes. Let's see if with something else. As you can see, the website was deleted. Here we can also see something else. No, everything is good on this page. And it looks like, no, as you can see here, we have 60 days and here we have 30 days. All right, so as you can see, there are multiple changes that were introduced to this document. Very small one, very difficult to do. Oh, I see another one. You see, 7 days. Probably I need to use a rectangle so it's easier to see. But as you can see, you can detect even such a small changes, which are extremely important because changing one letter to another can totally change the whole contract. To avoid that, you can use an automation that compares two documents between each other. Thanks a lot for your time.